maps not downloading in PUBG Mobile? Well, no worries. Let's see how we can fix this error on your device. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get right into it. First things first, what you need to do is just check your storage. Make sure you have at least 2 or 3 GB free space on your phone. If there is lower storage, then you will be getting free downloads. To clear out your storage, just simply free up apps, free up space by clearing out apps, photos, and so on. Now switch your internet. Maps often fail on slow Wi-Fi. So if you have a faster mobile data or a different Wi-Fi network, you can just simply switch on it. Next thing, you can clear out your cache. Head towards settings, go to your PUBG mobile app and then select clear cache under clear data. So make sure you don't touch clear data, as clear data simply removes out all data. So pause and resume downloads. So sometimes you can just simply open up your PUBG mobile application and right here on top you can see download right here. So if there are multiple downloads being downloaded, you can just pause it by selecting the pause icon on the downloads. So you can just simply hit towards map and download the map that you like. And that's it. Super simple and easy. And after all of it is done, your issue should fix. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.